Hi families, in this video we are going to walk through how to access the dictation tools on different devices. The devices that we will cover in this video are a Windows machine running Windows 10, a Mac, an iPhone running iOS or an iPad running iOS, and then an Android mobile device. So we're going to start first with the Windows machine. In a Windows machine, there are built-in accessibility tools, just like there are on most devices. In order to access, you would click on the Windows Start button in the bottom left-hand corner and then select the settings icon. You want to select your PC settings. If you have an older machine or maybe not as an updated version of Windows, you may see somewhere on your start menu the icon for PC settings. That is what you would want to locate. Now we are going to head under ease of access, and then in the ease of access, we are just going to search for dictation and locate the ease of access dictation. Windows has provided multiple hotkeys or shortcuts for you to start dictation. You can use the Windows +H to start the dictation on the keyboard and select the microphone button. You can also toggle on the dictate text and control your voice using your device only using speech. I don't want to turn this on because I don't want to make my device only use speech. This can be very beneficial if you need it in every aspect, but it can be a little bit challenging to navigate if you don't need it in all aspects of your computer. So when you are working on a Windows machine, I would choose the option that best fits your needs, whether you need just the talk instead of type, or you need full dictation to control your device. These shortcuts and toggle switches will get you started. On a device running iOS, such as an iPhone or an iPad, the dictation microphone is built right into the keyboard. So oftentimes there isn't a need to go turn on further dictation tools in the settings. However, you do have that option if so needed. I'm going to head into a Google slide that I have just to show you what it does and how it works. I can backspace out and then simply select the microphone, select to enable dictation, type in this blank, and I tap the keyboard when I'm finished. It does take some playing to get used to how it works and ensuring that it captured all of your voice before you end the microphone. If you are to need the full settings for the accessibility tools, you can go into your settings, select General, and then underneath General, you will be able to locate accessibility. And from here, all of the accessibility tools you have available in iOS. In this next segment, we are within a Mac device running Catalina. On a Mac, the accessibility tools are also built in. In order to locate these tools, you'd want to click your Apple icon in the upper left and select System Preferences. Once you've selected System Preferences, you will either locate accessibility, and when I locate accessibility, I can scroll down and notice that there is full voice control like there is on a Windows machine. This will allow your voice to control your computer entirely. In most cases, you may not want to use this as it can be a little bit different to navigate. If you are only looking for dictation, as in talking instead of typing, we are going to search for dictation and it will take us to the dictation screen, which is actually under the keyboard settings. So in keyboard settings, if you select dictation, you can turn it on or off. You can select the language, and then from the drop-down, you can choose the shortcut you want to use in order to start the dictation on your MacBook. On our final device, we are going to look at Android and the accessibility tools available on Android mobile devices. Just like an iOS device, there is a built-in microphone in the keyboard when you are typing, and if you need further accessibility tools or additional features, you can toggle on certain things in your settings. So first we are going to head into our apps and just pull up Chrome. And notice when I tap on the search blank on the very bottom of the toolbar, I have a microphone that I can enable. Tapping this microphone does ask me to press and hold this key to access a list of the keyboard settings. And then from there, I can access the microphone. Type what I am saying. And then I can tap the microphone to stop the dictation. If we head back out of this and into our settings app, we are going to locate our settings app. In our settings app, if we scroll to our device, and underneath our device, we can locate in personalization, the accessibility tools. And from here, you can scroll and turn on any of these tools or look further into what it has to offer.